So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a chicken pot pie topped with Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay Biscuits, and it's too good and it's super easy. I don't like doing long intros, so we're just going to get right to this recipe.
I moved about a month ago, so if you see some clothes and boxes in the back, don't judge me. I'm not dirty. It just is what it is. So I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. Oh, fuck me. I'm going to add some better than bouillon to my water. Add that in there. I'm gonna add some salt. Then I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And then also some poultry seasoning. And this is all just like eyeballing, honestly. There's no measurements on this water. And I'm gonna stir everything together. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in my chicken thighs. Anyway, we're just gonna add our chicken thighs. Add our chicken thighs to the water. All right, so we're just gonna give that a nice stir. And allow that to cook for like 20 to 25 minutes. And then we're gonna shred it. All right, so it's been like 20 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this chicken. Ooh, this is hot. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the chicken out and place it into a bowl so that we could shred it. Boiled chicken looks so crazy to me, but we're just gonna take our hand mixer and just shred it like so. This is what it looks like when it's all shredded. So now I'm just gonna set this to the side and then start the chicken pot pie. All right, so this is the same pot that I boiled the chicken in. So I'm gonna add some butter. I have to throw it in like that, but my fault. And we're just gonna let this melt down. All right, so once that's melted, we're gonna go ahead and add in our onions and just saute that up. Actually, add in all our fucking veggies. What the hell? We're gonna add in our carrots and celery as well. All right, we're gonna let this saute and I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in the garlic, the minced garlic, and also the chopped rosemary and thyme. And we're gonna let this cook out for like another 2 minutes before we go on with our flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on with the flour. We're just adding this in to help it thicken up. So I'm gonna cook this out for like another 2 minutes just to get the flour taste out. And I'm not left-handed. Yeah, if you never made pot pie, definitely check this out, especially with the Cheddar Bay biscuit on top. It's super fire. All right, so now we're gonna go on with the chicken stock. And this smells dumb good in here. Like already, I'm not even finished. Anyway, we're just gonna stir that, and now we're gonna add in our heavy cream. And then add in our heavy cream. I'm just gonna stir this and then add in my spices. So I got some black pepper, some celery seeds, some pink salt, garlic powder, onion powder. And we're just gonna add that in. And now I can go in with my diced potatoes. Then I'm also gonna go in with my shredded chicken. So now we're just gonna put a lid over this and allow the flavors to marinate. So it's been like 40 minutes and the potatoes are cooked now. So I'm just gonna check for the seasoning and see if I need to add anything else. So this part I'm just seasoning the taste because it kind of depends on your chicken stock. If you're using low sodium or just regular chicken stock, you would kind of just adjust it to whatever you're using. So I just went in with like 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and then a teaspoon of oregano. So I'm gonna taste this again. I'm also gonna go in with some smoked paprika. It's like 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mix that. You can go ahead and add in the frozen peas. This doesn't have to cook out because it's going to cook in the oven too, so you're good. So So just add that in and stir that. So now we're gonna go ahead and make our Cheddar Bay biscuits once we stir this in.
For the biscuits, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my sugar, baking powder, and flour. And then we're gonna go in with our salt and garlic powder. This shit will shake. And just mix that up. Well, I froze this butter and then I like grated it. So we're just gonna cut that into the flour mixture. You can use like a pastry cutter or you could just do your hands, which I'm choosing to use my hands today. And just kind of try to break that like into the flour, or cut it into the flour, I should say. And then I'm gonna add in my cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese that I'm using. And then just kind of toss that together a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm super high right now. Like, I feel like I'm talking like so smooth, or unless that's how I usually talk, but whatever. All right. Then we're gonna add, oh, blood clot. What the? I didn't shake that up. Make sure you shake up your buttermilk. What the hell? All right, so now we're gonna add in our buttermilk. And then I'm just gonna mix that together. I definitely gotta hit up Red Lobster though. I have not been there in a minute. And I heard they went out of bankruptcy, so that's a good sign. Anyway, we're just gonna mix this together till it's just combined. Don't wanna overmix it. So you wanna mix it until it looks like this consistency. And then I'm just gonna spoon on top of our chicken pot pie.
All right, so now we're just gonna put the pot pie filling into the cast iron. You can use a baking dish too, but I'm using a cast iron. All right, so now that we have all the biscuits on top, we're just gonna go ahead and bake that in the oven on 400 degrees. So I'll be right back. And this is what it looks like when it comes out the oven. This looks too good. Oh my God. So now we're just gonna make the garlic herb sauce. So it's just I got some unsalted butter, and I'm gonna do a couple pinches of salt and then some garlic powder. And then also add in some chopped parsley. I'm just gonna mix that together until it's melted. Now we can just brush that butter on top. And that's it. This looks mad good. I cannot wait to dig in. All right, so now we're gonna cut in and do a taste test.
All right, it's time for the taste test. This is too good, you guys. Like, too good. I'm just over here eating, not even saying nothing.